Okay, now this is another video tutorial, and you can clearly see that there is a font face drawing illustrations. So how I did it and what is the formula behind it to do this kind of thing. So this is a completely dedicated to drawing classes, my drawing classes. So first of all, if you are doing illustration or Illustrator, Adobe Illustrator, so if you have done this kind of big illustrations, so see this kind of big illustration, so its board size is very large. So clearly see, this is for demonstration purpose. This is the outside of artboard. So what I need to do for simply resize this work. If I resize this, see this thickness is increases. So this matter is totally different. So if I control Z, so this is I need, if your customer says that I need this kind of thickness, not more than that and not less than that. So what we can do, simply go to this span appearance, then another time expand. So see what happened here. If I decrease the size, if I decrease holding Alt and Shift button at a time, so see it not loses its thickness or depth. So as it is, you can put it here. So why I discussing this kind of thing here? Because if you are going to be a Shutterstock contributor or any other else where you can put your vector illustrations, EPS file, EPS 10 file, so there in that website you can find this objections called this is not expanded. Okay, so in that case you should have know this kind of thing, the expand appearance. Okay, so and it is very important to expand everything properly, otherwise your project, your artwork will be kicked back to you and definitely rejected by Shutterstock or any other else. So okay, so let's start and come to the point in this matter, how to draw the face illustrations. So you can see I have drawn here a little bit of circle for understanding purpose. So you can make I can make you understand the proportions or anything. So you can put here a circle, so no fill, just outline, no fill, just outline. See this is a portion for the forehead, this. Okay, and this circle, if I put this here, see a little bit of this here, you can see this part, you can see this part. Okay, you can do with this kind of thing with the help of golden ratio, with the help of golden ratio circles. Okay, you can see my previous video also. So this is, and you can put this one, you can put this one holding Alt button here, this side, this shoulder portion, and you can completely manipulate this complete illustration. So what I'm going to do, just Control Z and Control Z to removing this one, and just lock this layer. Unfortunately I do not want to mess around this face illustration. So I lock this illustration and completely and take a new layer here. So what I'm going to do here, just with the help of brush tool, and you can see it's my own created brush. Okay, if you want to buy this, you can connect with me or contact with me. Definitely you can get a big discount for this. Or I have lots of cartoon type of brush. See this brush, and if you do not check it, keep selected on, you can just uncheck this, see what happened. It is completely separate, and you after that you cannot, if you keep selected on and hit OK, see this is already selected. If I here this ultimately, if I draw here, this ultimately join. Okay, and see this is keep selected on, and the see this is ultimately one line. But if I do not keep selected on or uncheck keep selected, so if this is separate, okay. So this is a basic thing about brushes, but this class is not for brush. This is dedicated only for this. Okay, if you draw like this, if you draw cube, okay, just rectangle type of things, so you can find the basic foundation or basic thing. But sorry, actually this is a very big size, so it's not necessary here. It's also unnecessary things. Okay, so if I put a line here, and goes down the opacity here, so this is 0, not 0. Okay, so here and here you can clearly see this is a rectangle, created rectangle here, and this is another rectangle here. And in my opinion, if you can draw boxes or this kind of 3D boxes, cube, so you can clearly understand the things behind it. Okay, what things behind it. So okay, so you need to understand the rectangle rules when you are going to draw a face. Sorry, this one, and I need to shift button on. Okay, so here, sorry, so here we go, and join this one. Okay, and this is not good here. Actually, this is something problem occurred when I'm doing this one. Okay, just put this one, okay, just imagine what is doing here. Just imagine. Okay, just sorry, put this one and this one. So if someone else face is looking this side, and this is a viewpoint, if the eye is here, so you can clearly, this is a mouth portion, and you can clearly see the postures or gestures of body movement. Okay, so this is a basic illustrations purpose. I just want to see, just want to show you. So in my opinion, if you practice like this and making lots of try to make lots of cubes like this, lots of cube, you can definitely understand this neck portion here. This is a your face portion, and this is your nose. Okay, so this postures like this type of, and you can clearly understand. So this is a just grow up your practice and practice. You keep practicing, and you will definitely understand. And here you can clearly see this is a rectangle. See, this is a rectangle. Okay, now put the line here, put a line here, then another line here, that's another line here, then this portion is for the ear. Okay, and this is the eyes portion, this is the nose, and this is mouth. Okay, this is opening sector, this one for the underneath, and this is the neck portion, is a shoulder portion. And if I switch off this, turn off this sector, you can definitely understand this is a face mark, and where you can put your eyes and eyebrows, eyes, okay, nose, so here as a mouth portion. Okay, so clearly understandable. So grading procedure is very important if you are going to master in the in art. So there is a short type of video. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Okay, till then, stay tuned, and please, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up for inspirations. Thank you very much.